Hello, this is Peter from Man King Homestead. Today's Thursday. It was in the low 80s today, and it was sunny today. It really was a beautiful day today. I got a little more done on the chicken run today. There's not too much more left on that. And we got the run and the coop into place now. So then when I get the run finished up, we can move the chickens over into it. The chickens and the cats are all doing well. I've got some clips of them in this video. I'm continuing to try to get stuff organized and put away. Even though I don't have that much, it still takes a lot of time to get everything put where I want it. And I've been working on the chicken run. That's been working against me, but I'm making progress on it. At least I was able to get my gas grill set up. So now I'm able to make bagels on the grill. It's not quite as convenient as a toaster, but it's working. And I've had a cheeseburger last couple days because I got some hamburger patties from Walmart the other day. It's nice that I have use of a refrigerator and freezer now. I've got water to the front door. I've got electricity in the camper. So things are good. Brett and Deborah are continuing to help me out. Brett made some sunscreens today to put up over the windows where the sun was hitting them brightest. Try to keep the camper a little bit cooler. I think that's going to work out good. I'll let you watch the rest of the video now. UPS brought me an order from Amazon today. Got some terramycin for the cat's eyes and a bug zapper. Thank you very much to the subscriber that sent that. It's very much appreciated. I laid down to rest for a few minutes this afternoon, and all the cats decided to take a nap with me. But as soon as I got up and started moving around and trying to video them, then the cats all woke up and started moving around too. But I got a few of them. I have the run and coop sat in place now. I've got that sitting up on buckets because it's easier for me to attack the netting to the bottom rail if it's up in the air a little bit. Still got a little work to do on the netting, and then I have to put the door in the front. So hopefully I get that finished up tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one.